Hi everyone. This video we're going to explore to see how we can use using an existing Ethernet cable to power two IP devices. In this case, two panel tilt zoom cameras. So in order for the PoE to work, we have to make sure the Ethernet cable can receive both power and data. So on the front end, we're going to use a PoE injector. This is a very special PoE injector. It can make sure that all four pairs of the copper wire in the Ethernet cable are all in full capacity, transmitting the power and data. So it can reach very high voltages. So after we have this injector connected to the main network, it is very compatible for sending Ethernet cables with power and data. Alright, so in order to connect two IP devices with one Ethernet cable, we're going to have to use a PoE extender. So this PoE extender here will receive power and data from the injector or other power supply equipments we use and divide it to two other devices. So the input, it takes in 60 volts of high power, and then it simply divides it into two 30-watt outputs. It's very convenient if we, because on the other end, panel tilt zoom cameras need at least 23, 24 volts to function. And this will help us make them both functioning. So how should we do it? It's very simple. So first, after we set up the whole power supply equipment, we use this Ethernet cable. This is 100 meters, which is the limit as well, to connect to the import. And then it will have the indicators blinking. This means it is receiving power and data. And now simply we just use two Ethernet cables to connect the camera to the extender. I'm going to use very short patch cords right here because we don't need that long, but as you can see, we can use another 100 meter as well on the output. So it means we have like up to 200 meters of PoE network. And you can see the cameras are self-checking, the self-diagnosis to see if it's functioning. And we have all covered the sensors here, so they're considering it's kind of being nighttime. So they're functioning at full capacity because their infrared's on. Everything's running at full capacity, so we can be sure that even if it's through this connection, it will still function when it's night and all the sensors are working. And both of them are functioning, our connection's stable, so yeah, we are safe to say this connection is good. Self-checking, and I'm simply nodding yes. Okay, so functioning network system. And next video, we're going to explore how to use an existing Ethernet cable to connect 7 IP devices, which is much cooler. And I'll see you guys next time. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.